Today we are going to discuss about the food security in India. So first you see what is the food security. So we all know the food is very important for us because we know that health is wealth. To maintain our health, food is very important. But sometimes it is not secure. Okay, so now you see what is the food security. So already I told you that the food is very important for our life to survive, to get the nutrition. Okay, so there are three dimensions: availability, accessibility and affordability. What is availability? Availability, it means food production within the boundary. Is it clear? Food production within the boundary. And also we import some food. Okay, but government will keep it in the granaries, but in here availability means food production within the country. It means within the boundary. Accessibility means it should be reached to every person. You have that capability, so you will go and you will purchase from the market. I don't have capability and I will not enjoy. So this is not correct. So that's why accessibility means what? It should be reached to every person. Not only you, not only me, to every person. Third one is affordability. Affordability means what? This one is the reasonable price at which a person can buy sufficient, safe and nutritious food. Understood? The reasonable price at which a person can purchase sufficient, safe and nutritious food for their needs. Why food security? It's very simple to understand. Why food security? Because we know that India is a developing country and we have so many people are there, those who are poor or under BPL. So now you have enough money so you can purchase from the common market. But those who are not having money, then who will take this responsibility? You and me, we are not going to take the responsibility. Government has to take this responsibility. Because what is the goal of the government? To maintain the social welfare of the country. So in that case, why food security, especially for them? Those who are not able to purchase from the common market, but they have to survive. So that's why food security is very important to protect their life. Understood? How is food security affected during a calamity? It's very simple. When any natural calamity like earthquake or other like reasons are there, then what will happen? Definitely production will less. It means a shortage of the production. Because of shortage of production, what will happen? Price will increase. When more demand but less supply, then definitely price will increase. And when price increases, then it will be difficult for some section of the society because they don't have that much money to buy it from the market. So it means when there is this region affected during a calamity, then what will happen? Because of shortage of the food grains, the price of the food will increase. Understood? Then famine of Bengal in 1943, it means like when the food insecurity is there, then it creates the starvation time situation. And in 1943, more than 3 lakhs people died in the province Bengal. See the situation, 30 lakhs people died only because of lack of this food. Who are food insecure? So actually in here we divided in two parts. One is the social and one is the economic. So if you see the socially, then it is given that STs, scheduled tribes, scheduled caste and some part of the OBC, they are food insecure. And if you see the economically, then landless worker, casual labor, then these artisans, traditional artisans, you can say, street vendors, so they are food insecure. Is it clear? If you see socially, then ST, SCs and some part of the OBC. And if you see economically, then landless people, casual labor, street vendors, traditional artisans, they are food insecure. Green Revolution, it means after independence. So they tried to become independent on this food production. And finally, in mid of 1960s, this Green Revolution we have seen, and like a food production or production become doubled. What is the meaning of double? It means before if it was 10 kg, now in the mid of 1960s, they produced the 20 kg, doubled. Because in that time, they learned how to use the fertilizer, modern technology, especially the HYV seed, high yielding varieties seed. They understood about the irrigation facilities. It means they will not depend on the natural rain only, because irrigation is very important for the multiple cropping. Okay, so Green Revolution helped a lot to solve this food insecurity problem. But after that, when population increases, then again we faced this problem. That's why we need again another Green Revolution. Okay, so this is all about this food security in India. The main three dimensions: availability, accessibility, and affordability. Already I told you, availability means what? Food production within the country. Accessibility, it should be reached to every person, not only you and me, everyone. Affordability, it means the reasonable price at which people can purchase sufficient, safe and nutritious food. Why food security is very important? Because some section of the people, they are not able to buy it from the common market. So to protect their interest, food security is very important. Otherwise, how they will survive? Then how is food security affected during a calamity? It means it will increase the price because of the shortage of food. Simple. Famine of Bengal in 1943. So already I told you 30 lakh people died only because of starvation, lack of food. Who are food insecure? So if you see socially, then scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and some parts of the OBC. And economically, if you see, then casual labor, landless people, street vendors, and like traditional artisans. So these people are under food insecure. Green Revolution, to you all know, because in chapter 1 also we discussed about the Green Revolution. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, but if you have any confusion, let me know in the comment section below and I will talk to you there.